Second Christmas Day here in the
Hindi ko kayo kita.
Netherlands. So here in the Netherlands we have second Christmas. First Christmas is the 25 and the second Christmas Day
Sabi,
is
yali
the
ka!
26. They call it second Christmas Day. So naglakad siya kami, come and join us. For our second Christmas Day. Look, we have a big Ferris wheel.
The church is open. Oh wait. On video. Look, they have a Ferris wheel here. Winter bar. Here in Den Bosch. Halina kayo. Tapos na. Sarado na sila, oh. Yung olive oil. Hindi Christmas market.
Picture.
Tari.
Ayan. Hanapin natin ang Christmas market. Hindi daw ata ito yung Christmas market because there's not many people here. So we will go to the other part of Den Bosch.
3.
Ayan, dito naman kami sa kabilang part. But sarado din pala. Ano ba yan? Wala kaming mapuntahan. Today is the second Christmas Day. So, yung mga tao normally nagdi-dinner with friends because the first Christmas is always for family and the second Christmas Day is for friends. And so, dito kami nag-ikot sa Den Bosch today. And heto nga, at walang Christmas market sa kabilang side. So, babalik kami dun sa kabila. So, babalik kami dito today sa my Christmas market nila. Ito yung Ferris wheel.
A few moments later.
Ayan, mamibili daw kami. Kaya
Wait.
pumunta kami dito sa isang cafe. For
So feel so cold.
chocolate.
Wala lang.
Ayan, magha-hot chocolate na.
Ganda.
Ganda sa kanya kasi nandiyan yung background.
Kasi
Maybe we can check out where is the...
Kasama.
siguro dito. Kaya ganun.
Die andere hier. Ga je halen? Als het... Ja, dankjewel.
Ayan, meron kami mga chocomel, hot chocomel, hot chocolate. Si Ricky, si Sophia. Sophia, say cheese.
The chocolate family we are.
1, 2.
Cheers for the second Christmas Day dahil walang masyadong tao. So, ayan, dito kami sa in front ng malaking Ferris wheel, diba? So, ayan ang aming second Christmas Day celebration. So, dito kami sa Den Bosch. Ayan, sobrang lamig kaya uuwi na kami. Oh, ayan, bye-bye na sa malaking Christmas tree.
Ikaw din.
Ay, Christmas tree. It is a Ferris wheel pala, hindi pala Christmas tree. Sorry guys, thank you for watching and have a nice Christmas everyone 2025. So, uwi na kami dahil napakalamig, grabe. Sobrang lamig talaga ngayon. Walang snow but super duper cold. Thank you for watching. Merry Christmas everyone.